Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. Today we're making curry puffs. That buttery, flaky crust. Just a few notes before we get started. Traditionally, curry puffs are made with curry powder, but I will be using the curry paste because I like the vibrancy and the flavors. For this recipe, you can use a store-bought pie crust or a homemade one. Check my website for my pie crust recipe. To make our layered crust, we'll start by dividing our dough into halves or quarters. If you're using store-bought pie crust, just ball it up and start from there. And we'll roll out the crust as thin as we can. And then we'll spread 1 tablespoon of softened butter all over it. We'll place the other half of our pie crust sheet on top of that. And then we'll spread another tablespoon of softened butter on top of that sheet. And then we'll roll it up, wrap it in plastic wrap, and let it chill for at least 30 minutes. While that chills, we'll go ahead and make our filling. Now start by heating up a tablespoon of vegetable oil in my frying pan. Add 1 small onion that has been diced and let that cook for just a minute until it's translucent. Add 1 clove of garlic. And then we'll add our curry paste or curry powder, and we'll just let that cook until it's fragrant. Next, we'll add 1 pound of ground chicken or beef, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. Once the chicken is cooked through, add 1 russet potato that has been cooked and diced, 1 cup of peas and carrots. And to bring everything together, we'll make a little slurry with a little bit of cornstarch and water, and we'll let that cook until it's thickened. So while our filling is cooling down, we'll work with our chilled dough. We'll cut the log into centimeter wide pieces, press them down, and then roll them out. With 4 pie crusts, you'll end up with 2 logs and about 24 of these. Add the filling, we'll fold them over and then pinch them shut. If you just want to make regular curry puffs or want to save a little bit of time, just roll out your pie crust and use a cookie cutter or a biscuit cutter to cut out the circles. Then add your filling and then crimp it shut. I will bake these, so I'll make a little egg wash with an egg and a little bit of water. Brush the top of the curry puffs. We'll bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes until they're golden brown. You can also fry these in batches for a few minutes until they're golden brown. And this is what the layered one looks like. And here's the regular one. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. For this recipe and more, visit crumbs.com.